O cells, how could you function without your organelles? Cell membrane, the skin made up of proteins and lipids, determines what goes out and what goes in. Cytoplasm, the inside, with a liquid medium called cytosol, where the organelles and other materials reside. The nucleus, the control station, controls the functions of the cell, also houses all the genetic information. The nucleolus, at the heart of the nucleus, an area of dense genetic information. Its position in the cell is marvelous. Ribosomes, the factory, produce proteins by decoding DNA and RNA as mandatory. Golgi apparatus, packaging, puts materials in vesicles, then sends them where they are needed, like shipping. Mitochondria, the powerhouse, they make ATP. The more activity in the cell, the more mitochondria. Lysosomes digest, break down materials for the cell, and also old organelles not at their best. The endoplasmic reticulum, the highway, transport materials throughout the cell. The rough one, proteins all day, while the smooth produce hormones like ones that make guys go, hey, hey, and lipids. Centrioles, backbone, made up of microtubes, don't just support the cell on their own. They organize the cytoskeleton, or the skeleton of the cell, during cellular division and reproduction. Finally, just for all those plant cells out there, vacuole, water tank store water for a plant cell. Also helps the cell maintain shape. Chloroplast, cause photosynthesis, allow plants to go through the process of making energy from the sun. The cell wall, structure, wall, produce structure for the cell made up of cellulose. Makes plants stand tall.
Cells make up tissue. Tissues make up organs. Organs make up organ systems. Organ systems make up multicellular organisms. Multicellular organisms are dependent on their organ systems. So multicellular organisms are dependent on cells.
O cells, how could you function without your organelles?